So I'd like to invite you to just settle into your body by taking a few deep, full, nourishing breaths in and out. You're also welcome to close your eyes. And you're welcome to close your eyes or even have a downward gaze. And allow your breath to soften. Maybe taking 3 deep, full, nourishing breaths in through your nostrils, exhaling out from your mouth. As you know that I love to start our meditations with a little bit of breath work because that helps to ground us. And so breathing out from the mouth helps you to switch from the sympathetic to the parasympathetic nervous system. This journey is not about seeing colors with the eyes, but about feeling them as energies, as vibrations, and as sensations within the body, the heart, and the mind. And even your soul. So take one full, gentle breath in and a slow, controlled exhalation that will allow you to settle into this moment. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine and the soles of your feet. And as you take a breath in, feel the essence of the color red rising throughout your body. Red is the pulse of life, the deep, essential rhythm of your heartbeat. It is the fire in your belly, the spark of courage, and the pure, raw desire for existence. Feel this energy of vitality. Red says you are alive. So feel that aliveness pulsating within your body. Allow your awareness to sink downward, just for a few moments, where you have that connection to the earth. And sense the color brown surrounding you. Brown is the earth itself, steady, ancient, and deeply dependable. It is the comfort of rich soil beneath your feet, the quiet, reassuring weight of roots holding you firm. Brown says, you belong, and you are completely supported. And now gently bring your attention to the glow of warmth around your chest, your solar plexus, and your heart. Sense the color gold. Gold is sunlight on warm skin, a constant hum of abundance and inner wealth. It is generosity, radiant energy, and blessings poured over you. Let yourself shine. Gold represents that you are enough and you are light. I'd like to now invite you to soften into the cool, fluid energy of silver. Silver is the silent wisdom of the moonlit sky, calm and reflective. It is intuition, deep internal knowing, and the gentle pull of the tides within your own emotional landscape. Silver whispers, trust your inner knowing, trust your subtle voice. And now imagine white like a soft, silent cloud dissolving around you. embracing every cell. It is purity, utter stillness, the sacred space where all colors and all thoughts dissolve into one simple essence. White is ultimate clarity, space, and infinite peace. White says, you are whole, you are sacred. I'd like to invite you now to let the essence of the color blue wash over you like a vast, limitless ocean, or the openness of the midday sky. Blue cools, soothes, and expands your capacity for truth. Feel a deep sense of calm in your throat and forehead. Blue says, speak your truth and breathe deeply and flow through life. And finally, rest in green. Green is the renewal of the forest after the rain, the endless vitality of spring. It is the color of healing, boundless compassion, and perfect balance held within your heart center. Green says, you are connected. You are healing. You are loved. Take a slow, deep breath in, gathering all 7 colors: red, brown, gold, silver, white, blue, and green. And feel them living within you now as sustained energies, as feelings, as the vibrant vibrations of your soul. Before we end today's meditation, I would like to invite you to choose one color sensation that your body needs most right now. Whether it is the grounding of brown, the courage of red, the peace of white, the green of healing, the blue of truth, or the silver of compassion, or the gold of light. And breathe that color deeply into your heart 3 times. And when you arise from today's meditation and go about your day, remember that you carry all of these essential energies within you. And you can use them to color your day in whichever way feels nourishing for you. Namaste.